Let's make a 3 double crochet cluster. I've got some double crochet here, some regular double crochet. You know how to make those. It's yarn over into the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 once and twice, and that's a regular double crochet. Now to make a 3 double crochet cluster, that requires 3 incomplete double crochet closed off together in the same spot. So I'm just going to give myself a bit of room, chain 1, and I'll move over. I'll skip a stitch and I'll move over to here so you can see what I'm doing. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 like any normal double crochet, but don't finish. See, I'm not going to finish these. I'm going to do a yarn over and pull up another loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and stop again. That's 2 partial double crochet in that same spot. One more, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2, and stop. Now I have 3 components here, 1, 2, 3, 3 incomplete double crochet. To turn them into a cluster, I now do a yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on my hook, and that's my 3 double crochet cluster. Look at it very closely. You can see the 3 components of it. Let's do another one. Let me just move over a bit. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and stop. Yarn over again, pull up another loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and stop. One more time, pull through 2 and stop. There they are, 1, 2, 3. Pull through all, cluster closed. Easy peasy. Make sure you check your pattern for positioning of your cluster stitches, but there they are. You may sometimes hear them referred to as double crochet 3 together, but that is a different, that's a decrease stitch actually, but that's a story for another day. Here's your 3 double crochet cluster.